Hey guys, welcome to Eaton House Studio. My name's Chris, and today we're going to be making some festive drinks for the holiday season. Inspired by Christmases spent in the sunshine, our next drink is a twist on a classic gin and tonic. We've gone for Zymurgorium again with their pink Flamingo gin, and so we're going to be using that and pairing it with some Valencia orange tonic, again to give all those warm summery flavours. And then for the glass, we've garnished it with desiccated coconut to give that snow and Christmas feel. This one is really simple. We're just going to take 50 mils of the gin. You can smell straight off the bat you're getting all those citrus and tropical flavours coming through. Add an ice all the way to the top of your glass, and then top with the tonic. Continuing on with the theme of the pink house drinks, so you got a lovely colour coming through. Finally, we're going to take a nice festive green straw, and then we're going to garnish with some citrus. So what I've made here is some citrus swirls, so you can just dot them all around the drink, giving a lovely zesty quality to the finish. And these are really easy to make. You just take some lemon rind, cut it into a thin strip, grab a straw, and twirl it round. Give it a bit of a squeeze, give it a bit of a hold, and then you just peel it off, and then you have a lovely little twist that you can just drop in. And there you have the flamingos in the snow.